In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might want to change your name on Indeed. Whether you've recently had a name change due to marriage, divorce, or simply wish to update your professional persona, it's essential that your profile accurately reflects who you are. Indeed is a platform that many recruiters and employers use to find potential candidates, so keeping your information updated is crucial. Now, the first step in this process is to log into your Indeed account. If you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. You can easily retrieve them with the Forgot Password option on the login page. Just follow the prompts, and you should be back into your account in no time. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your profile. To do this, find your name or profile picture at the top right corner of the screen and click it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Profile. This is where all your personal information, including your name, is stored. Once you're on your profile page, look for the section where your name is displayed. You should see an option to edit your name. Click on that, and you will be prompted to enter your new name. Be sure to check for any spelling mistakes and ensure that it's exactly how you want it to appear to potential employers. Remember, accuracy is key here. After you've made your changes, don't rush off just yet. You should also think about updating any other relevant information on your profile that might be impacted by this name change. For instance, if your name change relates to a change in your professional identity, you might want to update your headline or summary to reflect your current focus or expertise. Now, once you're satisfied with your updated name and any additional changes, the next step is to save your updates. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom or the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll receive a notification indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. This is a key moment. Double-check your name once more, just to ensure everything is as it should be. It's also a good idea to take a moment and review the entire profile. Ensure that your work experience, education, and any skills listed are relevant and up to date. Often, when we concentrate on one part of our profile, we may overlook areas that also need attention. After saving your updates, I'd recommend logging out of your account and then logging back in. This step is not strictly necessary, but it can help you confirm that the changes you made are being reflected correctly in the system. Finally, don't forget to inform your network if necessary. If you've been actively applying for jobs, it might be worth it to drop a note to your connections on Indeed or let your current employer know, especially if you think it will affect your professional interactions. And that's it. Changing your name on Indeed is a straightforward process, but one that is so important for presenting yourself accurately in the job market. Keeping your profile updated helps ensure you don't miss out on the endless opportunities that can come your way through this platform. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content. Until next time, happy job hunting.